This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon egg bait. First, you will need to gather your fresh salmon eggs, along with non-iodized salt and a clean container. Next, we'll prepare the eggs by carefully separating them from the skein. Then, we'll move on to the crucial curing process, using either a salt brine or a dry cure. Finally, I'll show you how to properly store your freshly made bait to ensure it stays effective for your next fishing trip. This guide will help you create excellent bait. Preparing your salmon eggs correctly is the first vital step for successful bait. Begin by carefully removing the eggs from the skein, taking great care not to rupture them. A gentle touch is key here. After separation, rinse the eggs gently under cold water to wash away any blood or debris. Then, pat them thoroughly dry with a paper towel. It's also important to discard any broken or discolored eggs at this stage to maintain bait quality. This ensures a clean base for curing. Now, let's talk about curing, which preserves your eggs and enhances their appeal. You have two main options, a dry cure or a brine. For dry cure, mix about 1 cup of non-iodized salt per pound of eggs. If you prefer a brine, dissolve 1 cup of salt in 1 quart of water. Whichever method you choose, allow the eggs to cure for at least 12 to 24 hours. Remember to gently agitate them periodically to ensure even curing. This step is crucial for durable bait. Proper storage is essential to keep your salmon egg bait fresh and effective. For short-term use, store your cured eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator where they can last for several weeks. For longer periods, freeze the eggs in small, usable portions. When you're ready to fish, thaw them slowly in the refrigerator overnight. As a bonus tip, consider adding a small amount of scent or a touch of food coloring to your bait for enhanced attraction. This will make your bait even more irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.